How to automate social media posts from Notion. Want to save time managing social media? Let's automate posts directly from Notion. So, create a Notion database with columns for caption, platform, date, and status. This will be your content hub. Now, use Zapier or Make to connect Notion with social platforms, link your Notion workspace, and set triggers. So, set the trigger to when a post status changes to approve the action published to Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Add a date column in Notion. Your automation tool will schedule posts based on the date. Run a test to approve a post in Notion. Check if it appears on your social feed. Adjust it if needed. Note that Instagram and TikTok may require third-party schedulers, so always respect privacy laws and double-check time zones. Automating posts from Notion saves hours. Use Zapier or Make for flexibility or Notion Social for simplicity.